Hello, my beautiful YouTube family, y'all. Your girl's getting PR from Ipsy. Fortunately, I didn't get the little daisy bag. I am so sad about that. All right, loves, you want to see what we got in our Ipsy PR Glam Bag? You know what to do. All right, my loves, Ipsy Glam Bag is $13 a month. Normally, the bags match the Glam Bag Plus bags, which are $25 a month. Or did they go up to $28 a month? I'm pretty sure they went up to $28 a month. Somehow your girl ended up with Ipsy Glam Bag PR. Not real sure how this happened, y'all. I did apply for it. Never got a response back, and then all of a sudden I'm getting Glam Bag. But it's not the bag I expected, which we did get emailed about that they had ran short on bags. So you might be getting a variation, or you might actually get the cute little daisy bag, which I did not. So the Glam Bag is $13 a month for those who pay for it. I canceled mine, actually, because I was getting Glam Bag Plus and didn't see my granddaughter as much, so I was giving the small bags to her, and I was keeping the big bags, you know, so we could look like little twinsies. Anyways, let's get into it. What's in the Glam Bag Plus? Let's watch some of y'all's videos to see if it's any different from what you get in PR. Who knows? I don't. So let's give her a see what we got. This month's theme is called Keep a Growing. And it came with a card. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. Tidy your tech. Keep your cords and stuff in it. Mini emergency prep. I do have these in my car. Or pay it forward. I do use these bags to donate to the school for the kids that don't have lunches, or for sanitary items. We put non-perishable snacks in here. We put sanitary items, stuff like that in bags, and we donate them to the schools. And also know when I hand them out to the homeless people that we see on the streets. So anybody who has any of these extra Ipsy bags, please send them to me. My P.O. box will be down in the description. So that's what our inside the card says. So none of these have a value on them until we go on the site to check and see. So I will leave the value of this Glam Bag. Gosh darn it, I hate that. Ugh. I will leave the value of everything down in the description for you guys. So let's get into April's Glam Bag. First thing we have here is our glasses so we can read. Goodness. Yes, your girl is a mess, y'all. Okay. Benton Deep Green Tea Toner. It's a tea toner. Benton Deep Green Tea Toner. You just apply it to your face. I assume it's like any other toner you use it after you wash your face. The writing's so small, you guys, you can't see it. Darn. It just has the directions on the front. Let's see if it smells, because I love using green tea on my face. It's nice and sealed. That is fantastic. We love sealed, non-used items. We've had some previous boxes that have been putting some used items in there. Ugh. Let's try to use the tweezers. Oh my Lord, y'all. Ugh. I got it. It kind of smells like just a regular old facial scrub. Are we going to use it? We are going to use it, because I don't have any makeup on. I didn't know what to expect in here, so I didn't put anything on my face. The only idea was try to look cute for y'all in the hat and the daisy overalls. I love these. Okay. So as you see, I just dab it in. Don't rub, it's a toner. Don't smell anything now. Face isn't sticky, it actually feels really nice. Okay. Again, this is the glasses back on. Goodness. Benton Deep Green Tea Toner. La la la. The next thing we have here, Glow Recipe. We like Glow Recipe products. Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Okay. Ultimate Glow and Brightening. We can use this too. Just a little deluxe sample. So you guys, there really wouldn't be a price on it anyways. It's just a deluxe sample. Let's get this hair out of the way. And a little bit of toner didn't get patted in. Guess what? It's also sealed. Yay. Y'all think I'm being facetious when I do that. No, I'm happy it's sealed. Just a little bit. There we go. Pop this lid back on. And only put these little dewdrops where you want your face to be highlighted at. So up in there. Oh, that's hydrating. I feel it. My face like just took it right in. Down my nose. Oh, it smells. Got that Glow Recipe watermelon smell. It smells so good. Nom nom. Okay, well, you guys just seen how little I used, and I just did my whole face with it. The Glow Recipe Dewdrops. Oh, love it. Next thing we have here is some blush from V Cosmetics. It's in the shade Magnolia. We'll just do a little sun-kissed look today. Just slap on some blush, mascara, and lipstick. Call it good. Ooh, she's pinky. Very, very pinky. Let's use our Glam brushes. There she is. Oh, yeah. She's pink. Right on top of that. Oh, my goodness. Look what I did, y'all. Well, normally we would take our makeup sponge and tone that down. I wonder if I got any left over on here. No, we do not. Okay. Well, your girl's going to be nice and rosy. This, again, you guys, is the V Cosmetics blush in Magnolia. Woo, she's a pinky one. Pretty, though. Okay, guys, next thing we have here is Goat Milk Body Lotion. And let's see if she smells. She's sealed. We like that. She might be sealed too good, though. Ugh. Got it. It does smell. Kind of smells like suntanning lotion. Like baby oil. Oh, and I just poured it right on out of there. Yep, never fails. Okay, guys, we're going to rub this in and get this over with real quick because somebody has decided to start mowing outside. Yay! So it is absorbing in the skin very well, you guys. Not oily or anything. Again, this is the Dionis Goat Milk Lotion. Last thing we have here is this beautiful lipstick. This is by Lucky Chick. And I don't know if I can read the shade or not because it's so gosh darn small. I think it says 015, 011. Puzzle. I don't know what it says, y'all. There it is. A beautiful nudie shade lipstick. Yep. Kind of corally. Creamy. Okay. There she is. That's it. Again, this is by Lucky Chick. Just a beautiful creamy lipstick. That's it. Alright guys, let's do a rerun. Benton Deep Green Tea Toner, which we did and we loved. The Dionis Goat Milk Body Lotion absorbed really well into the skin. We got the Lucky Chick lipstick, as you see. And we got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. My face felt very, very hydrated. Now, the reason why I said I only put that on my face where I wanted it to be highlighted at, because I knew I wasn't going to be putting foundation or anything on, and I knew my face was going to get super shiny. Yes, it is made to put all over your face, you guys. Alright, loves, let's don't forget about this V Cosmetics in the shade Magnolia. Very, very cheeky cheeks. Very pretty pink blush. Alright, loves, that is all for our Glam Bag from Ipsy for $13 a month for the month of April. Wish I would have gotten the little daisy bag. Hopefully my Glam Bag Plus comes and it's the daisy bag. Fingers crossed. Well, that's it, you guys. $13 a month. I'll leave my referral link down in the description for you guys. And your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.